I also said the kingdom is in Jesus. How is it in Jesus? When John was imprisoned, he sent his two disciples to Jesus to ask Jesus, "Are you the one who is sent?" And Jesus tells his disciples of John to report. The blind receive sight, lame walk, lepers are cleansed, deaf hear, dead are raised. This is the kingdom. The kingdom has begun in Jesus' preaching through word and deed. Actually, the word kingdom has a political connotation. That's why it is nowadays referred to as reign of God or rule of God, where God rules, where God's will is done on earth as perfectly as it is in heaven. I repeat, the kingdom of God is where God's will is done perfectly as it is in heaven. And God's reign is, as we have seen in today's gospel, justice, mercy, and healing. The question we should ask is, are we doing the will of God? Often, we do whatever we like. In our prayers, we ask whatever we would like to ask, but we receive only if it is God's will.